Hi, in this talk, I'm going to be sharing how to supercharge your deployment with Cloudflare Pages. My name is Gift Egwuenu. I currently work as a developer advocate at Cloudflare. I've been named a GitHub star and Microsoft MVP, and that's due to the work that I've done in my community. If you'd like to find me on the interwebs, my handle is LauraGift_. So let's get started. If you've heard about Cloudflare before now, you probably know it as the security company. But Cloudflare offers way more than that, right? Cloudflare has a developer platforms that offers services and tooling that allows you to build serverless application on Cloudflare's edge network. One of the products that I would like to share with you today is called Cloudflare Pages. Cloudflare Pages is an end-to-end deployment platform for building your Jamstack applications. Some of the features you get out of the box with using Cloudflare Pages includes a native Git integration. This is one of the reasons why I love it, right? With Cloudflare Pages, you can deploy your application straight from GitHub or GitLab, depending on the Git integration that you have for your application. It also has automatic CI/CD, meaning that you get to choose the build command that you would want Pages to automatically trigger whenever there is a change to your application or you push a new commit, right? It has automatic preview links. Now, the great thing here is with every commit or every PR, you get a preview link so that you see the changes that you're trying to get pushed to production before it actually goes live, right? This is really handy when you're working with a team of developers or you have to report to a PM, for example. You can use the preview links to show them what you're going to send to production before it actually goes live. We also have several different staging environments for you to add to your project. So there is tests, production environment. This allows you to work in a very agile, way. Cloudflare's Pages allows you to integrate with some of our other products. We have good integration with Cloudflare Access, Web Analytics, and SSL, right? And finally, this is the most recent addition to Cloudflare Pages is the ability for you to add dynamic content to Cloudflare Pages using Workers. So if you don't know what Workers is our service for building serverless functions on the edge. And right now, with the ability of Pages functions, you can actually add in, dynamic functionality into your website and get that deployed to Pages. I think that's really great. How do you get started with Pages, right? You can get started by either doing three things. So first, either you go through the Git provider route. So you have a Git software. So for example, GitHub or GitLab, and then you connect your project to that. Or you deploy your Preview asset right into Pages using something called direct upload. So just bundling the application that you would like to deploy and directly uploading into Pages, right? And finally, you can also do that with our tooling called Wrangler. For this demo, I'll be using the Git integration with GitHub. So let me show you what that would look like. Right here, I have an example Hugo website that I want to deploy to Pages. This is what it looks like, right? It's a slideshow with literally fancy text that I added, right? Now, let's head over to the Cloudflare dashboard. This is Pages, right? In order for me to deploy my website, I'm going to connect it to Git. Here, I'll choose the demo, HugoConf demo repo. That's what I want to deploy and begin setup. The only changes I'll be making here is in the build settings section. Here, I want to select Hugo as my framework presets, right? You can also add that manually, but I like to go with this because it automatically adds it in for me. One additional thing I like to do here is to set the Hugo version. So I'll call this Hugo version and set it to the current version that I have. Now, once I save and deploy this, it's going to run a few build configurations. It's going to run the build environment, clone the repo, and build the application before it gets deployed to production. Great. Our application has been deployed to Cloudflare Global Edge Network. And just so that we are sure that this works, I'm going to open it in a new tab here and see that that's been deployed with a custom Pages domain name, right? That's great. That's how you deploy your Hugo application to Cloudflare Pages. Now, for further resources, if you'd like to learn more, I would recommend that you check out Cloudflare's developer documentation about Pages just to get more details about what I've shared in this talk. Also, scan this QR code if you'd like to join our Discord community And also check out our blog to learn more about Cloudflare Pages in your application. Thank you so much.